just got the day 4 and 5 west-east Idaho Overland route video released, and need another interlude. Still trying to catch up on getting my Gladiator cleaned up. I need to clean the interior. Normally I would have a friend in the neighborhood, Lawrence, who runs a little detail business out of his van, but it's been having mechanical problems, so he hasn't been able to get over here to work on my Gladiator. So I'm going to go ahead and do that myself, but it's in pretty good need of work. Well, there it is. Not anything like not anything like Lawrence would have it, but at least it's a little bit cleaner.